Three, two, one.
Hi darlings, welcome back to the channel with another video. So today's video is the continuation from the previous video. Okay, so my mamas are done bathing, so I have to go and get them some breakfast and then we continue. Okay, so if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, like, share, comment down below at the comment section. Enjoy this vlog, guys, and please don't forget to like it. Hey, come on, let's dance. Hey.
Where is it? Where is it?
The struggle is real, though. The food that they will eat, you have to suffer. See, have to go up and down, dance, do this, do that, Charlie. If you don't have time, patience, please don't give birth. Why? And yet easy, crack, if you want them to eat it, look good. So, not nothing I would hear that. Come and sit down and eat. Number tennis now. Don't send you over there. No. Now, but man is she. Is that number the mama breast? Why? Answer me. Why? Big woman like you, who be the nipa be chase to say When Nim say, get up and come and eat your food. I'll do ever. God, I know you're lying. Can some dead at you? God, I know you're lying. Can some dead. Hey, God, I know. Can some dead. Oh, dead. What's so mom? Guys, you see, all is done now. They have finished everything. That's what I went through before. Only about you anytime. I don't give birth. Why? And then they be consider.
They have a lot of a year. What am I consider?
I travel the first time now. I saw a lot too.
Ana mianga za
That they are so great.
I'm wasting water. I want the place.
What did you say?
I'm wasting water.
He's wasting water. So, Abeka can obey. You do all the cleanings in the house.
From next year going. When you come, you are going to be all this.
We are not packing so management on water there we are. Oh, so why? Or take crabby say and carry you more. Mama, when you get up in the morning, you come and water this place. You do. You do. With 3 who say.
No, tomorrow I'll sleep and sleep and sleep.
You. And I'm answering camp, Miss my friend. So yeah, the place is looking good. Hey, who told you? And not
You have to do more. Come and do it.
You should do more work. What work are you doing?
I'll just play.
You just play. When ya? There do. Hey, don't see where we. So on your melon be mammy. And also Betty Benku. Which one? Udi na onye mpo na o skills e na onye so ebe ode. Embe nyemumbe didi ma ombe trope nkola bia ma yo ka kiro. Empa ya trope bia wa ha. So yeah, the place is looking neat, very neat. Akahakakra this side. So we will see what we can do. We will take maybe to make it able to. I don't know whether they will tile this place up to or something, but yeah, and the place is looking very good.